Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I spoke with you last week regarding, there was an appointment that was set, for tomorrow. Hello?
Yeah.
Who's this?
F-Mon.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, it's F-Mon.
F-Mon?
Yeah.
Okay, we had an appointment set
For tomorrow.
Yeah. Burp my ear again, pal. I don't appreciate that.
Mm-hmm. So is it still on?
Not if you're gonna act this way. That's not professional. I'm here to try. Got a problem? Because we could solve it other ways, pal.
How?
Want to find out?
Yeah.
All right, you're a 170.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How about we do have that appointment set for tomorrow, pal?
Okay.
All right, good. Be there.